rap, I'm just like you. Hey, rappy, just keep your mouth closed.
Have you seen Wicked? This is they don't like each other, but they're, you know, I like this part.
Oh, please get a lot of words. Please get a lot of words. Please get a lot of words. Oh, 28. Oh. OMG, hi baby, is that you? Baby, I low-key cheated on you. Yeah, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But it was not your fault, but mine. Wait, hey, your words. Your words. And it was your heart on. Wait, I'm sorry. Please stop talking. Your words. You're gonna die. I really freaked it up this time. No, no, please don't say so. Deny my dear. No, you're dead. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I should have never cheated on you.
And you're gonna want to sit down for this video. I am getting a divorce.
Oh my god, no!
Take a minute. Take it in.
I can't! Get out!
That's in you! Kill this motherfucker now! He's doing 35 and a 45! Kill him!
They mowed him before the race, bro. Ish.
Come on, Maddie, let's go, Maddie!
Go Shrek! Go Shrek! Hey, go Shrek! Hey, right behind you, bro! Go Shrek! Right behind her, Shrek! Go!
Come on, Maddie, go!
Go! Shrek! You're right behind her! Fucking get her! Fucking beat it! Fucking try!
I'm a fucking baby. My nickname is a fucking baby. My birthday is Trinidad.
I hate him! I hate him! I feel like I'm never gonna be happy again. And every
How come you came this way? Why didn't you go down Road Eye right onto the front? Walk, walk, walk. Woo-hoo. Smaller steps. Wow. 1, 2.
Which means we have to pick our targets.
Correct. So, let's start with the ether.
Abby.
What do you know?
On your left.
I didn't think that. Listen! I said...
How do we know it's gonna end any differently than it did before?
Because before you didn't have me.
Shut your mouth!
Sorry, hey, one second.
I don't know you!
But everything is about you, Hollander.
What did you say to me?
What the fuck do you want?
You trying to scream louder than me?
Shane Hollander, I wanted to introduce myself.
I don't know you!
Oh, good news. It's on Fubo TV. No, don't worry. You can rent it for 65 gold pounds. It's streaming on Philanthropy.
You just gotta subscribe to Philanthropy.
Hi, what should I order here, you think? You should order whatever your heart desires. Trust yourself, king or queen. I really needed that today. So is the Batman corn dog pretty good? Motherfucker, it's a corn dog. We don't do that Tinkerbell glitter game. Here come Bugs Bunny, come on.
My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more.
Introducing Klarshinu. It's a combination of Klarna, Kalshi, and Sheen, and BlackRock that will make your life better with one single app. People ask me, how is this the greatest merger of our time? And I always tell them, I like to surprise my team, so when I told them I did this merger, they were stunned. They were like, how did you do that? How can you do that? To us, we're a team of 5 guys and 1 girl. How can we possibly manage to put these products together? And I said, whoa, you're fired. How this app works is you can bet and use Klarna to pay with Sheen products on one side, and BlackRock scans your data and sells it to Israel. If you look at the past in society, they had slaves. I need that. It's the greatest merger of our time, and it's a really nice concept because what this app does is if you can imagine Klarna and Kalshi and Sheen all together, and then BlackRock has tape and just kind of rolls it around, we call that the interface.
We are now arriving at 7 Kings.
Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump.
I'm trying.
Jump, jump, oh, jump.
Go, Troy! Get him, Max. You're good, Max. Don't double. I got you. I'll drop the leverage. Come on, Tommy. Show everybody what a big athlete looks like. Eyes up, Tom! Whoa, look at the feet. Go, Tom! Control yourself, Boomer. Go back, Boomer. I don't know what the fuck that is. Go. Now, get in the back. Let someone else go. Go, Demolition. Tom, go. Rotate those big hips. We got to get you a longer shirt, too. Good God. Get out of there. Holy fuck. Run, Tom. On the ladder, Jack. Fuck. Tom, you got to get a longer shirt, homie. Get out, Tom. Run. Drive your knee, Tom. Jesus. Time. I don't know what the... Wow. Wow. Tyler, you're just going to allow that shit to happen. Good job, Davis Moon. Compliment you fuck it up, but okay. Goddamn, long strider. Holy shit, Lurch. Give me some hips, dog. Drive. Nice jog off. Does this kid not fucking get it, dog? Come back and do it again. Do it again, goddammit. You don't get the jog off, Tom. Do you not understand? Second time in a row. Jog again, Forrest. See how it goes, Forrest Gump, if you jog. This is not a fucking joke. We are working in here. Now run! Stop fucking jogging! Homer, shake that ass. Oh, he's trying. Don't quit. Keep fucking going. Back in, run! Sink! In, Nick, run, Nick, go! God damn, that is slow, Nicholas. Go! Get out. Good. Oh my God. Odin, come on, dog. Go in the back and do it again. Hurry up. In the back! Panda, go!
Fucking God! I've been here for 5 minutes! Oh my God!
Yo, please don't run me off the road. I'm sorry. Don't run me off the road, please. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wait, a white woman was killed? I'm starting to think we have a serious systemic problem. Wait a minute. Law enforcement can't just be shooting people. Oh my gosh, they're lying. Law enforcement is lying right in front of her. This is just now getting out of hand. I don't think I like this. She was white, and she still got killed, but she was white.
You can't do that. You can't touch that. Remember, that's no-no. God, I got hurt. Oh, him okay.
De velar el sueño te arrullaré a dormir.
Towel! No! Towel! No!
Wake me up before I change it now. The story that I won't get Tell me why it's always the same. Explain me the reason why it's so much
Have a favorite feature to use in here?
Yeah.
Something that you think is very cool?
Check this out.
Wow.
So that's pretty neat.
Has anyone been to an Applebee's in the last 2 months? Because those are my fingers. Recognize those?
Did you order Michael Jackson? So, the party's actually canceled. It's just gonna be me. Oh, alright. Who's that? I'm the real Michael Jackson. No, I'm the real Michael Jackson. Prove it, bitch! Time to show you how it's really done. You are the real Michael Jackson!
Sorry, I don't know. I don't know. I told you I don't know. I said I don't know. I don't know. I don't.
The automated subway conductor came over the loudspeaker. Next stop, World Trade Center. Train plunged underground, but we never made it. Terror clawed at my chest as the world above me collapsed. And not knowing what my fate would be, I took out a crumpled receipt from my pocket and I wrote down what I thought might be my last words. 21 years old, writing my own goodbye. When the train finally surfaced, the world had changed. All I could think about was getting to my girlfriend's place. I sprinted to her building. I took the elevator to the 15th floor. I ran down the hallway. My key slid into the lock, the door swung open. And there she was, in bed. With another man.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull.
Happy birthday, dear Alicia. Happy birthday to you. I stole a loaf of bread.
I wanted to be an inventor, collected scraps to make a portal. I wanted so much.
Can you barricade the door? You have a weapon? Do you have multiple weapons and go into
Jesse!
Okay, all right.
Jesse!
Get somewhere and lock yourself in. Lock yourself in. A room with a lock. A room with a lock.
Jesse! There's no
a room with a
lock.
lock.
Jesse, don't mess around, Jesse!
Just get into a room with a lock, yo. Now.
Jesse!
Why are we playing games?
Jesse!
Who are you? Take off the mask.
Who are you? Take off the mask. Take off the mask. Jonathan.
John.
It's Jonathan. Jonathan Majors. Oh, James. Jesse. Jonathan, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, James. Jonathan, don't mess. What are you doing? Jonathan, what are you doing?
James.
Jonathan.
James. Relax.
Jonathan, give me the code.
Just relax.
Jonathan, what are you doing here, Jonathan? Jonathan,
Easy.
Jonathan,
Easy.
Jonathan.
Relax.
Jonathan.
James.
The camera's on you, Jonathan. Everyone's watching you. What's happened?
Listen.
Jonathan, stop it. Stop
What's
it,
he
Jonathan,
asking
man.
for?
Please, Jonathan.
James, just give him the thing that you just found. Just give it to him.
Jonathan, don't mess James. Jesse, call please, Jesse.
Jonathan. James, give us the code.
Shit! Jonathan, don't listen. Jonathan, man.
Give it to us.
Huh?
Give us the code, James.
Hungry for life and thirsty for the distant river.
You think the shit they're talking about is gonna happen when you're dead? You know what I'm saying? You're like, that could never be me. My boobies point to the sky. No, your body starts breaking down in your 30s, bro. I'll be having such a good day. I'm like, I'll get home. There'll be a little bit of poop in my panties. I love that you're not even blinking at that. Yeah. Oh my God, you're so good. You're like, I don't have a butthole. That's crazy. Is that what happens when you have a butthole? Yeah, they betray you, dude. I didn't even fart that day. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you are an unwelcome traveler, dude. I was a whole different little beast, dude. I used to go to the skating rink all the time. Did you ever go? No, look at you, spaghetti straps. They would have killed you in there. What were you doing as a kid? What was your vibe?
Oh no, I was a cheerleader.
Apologize to me. You were a cheerleader? Oh man, I wanted that so bad, dude. Were you a kind one? They all say that. Hell yeah, dude. Well, you weren't going to the skating rink? What would you do for fun? Class is dismissed. Yes, it is. Mom, I'm home. Mom, I'm home. Honey, we're getting a divorce. Okay. That's okay. We'll come back. Okay, yeah, that's fun. You're getting a divorce. That's cracking you up right now, though. Hell yeah. That's exciting. Oh no. Is that a long process? Oh, you're so cute. How long were you married?
3 years.
No. Oh shit. He got sick of the cheering. He's like, put your arms down. I can't. I want to be someone different. I can't. 3 years? How'd you meet him? Where'd you work? Was he a nurse too? Oh my god. And then this may be too personal, but you can be like, shut up. What happened? That is a crazy question. What happened to your marriage?
What's your number?
Oh! You can't even see her, you freak. He's like, cheerleader to nurse pipeline, she's gotta be hot. She could have been in the back, snapper, dude, you don't know. How'd you get engaged?
The Northern Lights in Iceland.
Girl, you had to say yes. You would be stranded out there, dog. Yeah. That's so sweet. That's beautiful. Did you know it was coming?
No.
What? You thought you were just out there?
He got size.
You got size?
Yeah.
What did you think he was gonna do? Cut your fingers off? I just want to know the length and the width.
I didn't know when it was gonna happen.
You didn't know when it was gonna happen. And so you how'd you do it?
Carrying my wing in my pocket in the airport, and then just hoping that we see the Northern Lights.
You are so sweet. I do carry my ring in the airport. Man, I love, dude, sometimes I wish I could be a man, dog. Like, next life, you guys are so fucking present. I'm on camera now. You can see where their field of vision stops, you know what I'm saying? I just kind of hoping something comes in and threatens them. They're like, ah! Did you guys stay at like a cabin out there or something?
It was a tour. So we did they had everything planned for us.
Just you two?
It was like a group tour. It was at a hotel.
Yeah.
That was like out in the middle of nowhere, so that we had.
You had people with you?
Not under the lights.
Where'd they go? Oh my, you had them with you in the dark? You emerge in the light and 7 people are gone? When he's like, you want to get married? And you're like, yeah. This is the best day of my life. 7 people are just drowned. No, I'm sorry, go ahead.
It was like 11 o'clock at night whenever the Northern Lights came out.
Wow. Oh, so people kind of like faded off. Y'all, but oh my God, were you nervous? You were? What were you nervous was gonna happen? A bear would come up or something? I'm getting a bear came up. And I almost proposed to the bear. But the bear did this, and I saw my fiance. I'm like, well, I proposed to her then. Did anyone else have lice in here? Make some noise. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, did you say yes? Hell yeah. How'd you get rid of that shit?
My mom works for Power. I have naturally curly hair down.
Oh, god damn. You had curly hair down to your back, and you kept it with, fuck. My mom would just put mayonnaise in my hair and send me to school. It was after, yeah. My mom would be like, "You're good, don't smother." With the cap. Mine was just mayonnaise fully. She give you a cap. You're a sweet mom. Yeah. I told you, my mom was like, "Let's see what happens," you know? And the mayonnaise didn't work, by the way. Lice love mayonnaise, dude. This is sick. This is cute in here. You hate it? Look at, you're so sweet. What are you laughing at? I'm so funny. I haven't even started. I love you. Are you a little high? No, you're regular base level. You're not normally like this. You're just realizing you're gay. Well, I'm not normally like this. Usually I don't giggle around a woman like this. Yeah, I got that effect on people. Women, men, chihuahuas. Someone wants to put me over their dog. Alright, hell yeah.
Yes, sister, this high pony is really doing it. What poo are you using? What poo are you using these days? That's short for shampoo, chat. Chat, that's short for shampoo, by the way. You know what would do you some wonders? Some moose. I'll be right back. Alright, sister, let's see.
Who came to make sweet love? Not me. Who came to kiss and love? Not me. Who came to beat it up? Rocky. And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we fuck. When we.
Dinosaurs are loose at the Super Bowl, and they have the ball. This is absolutely insane. 500 dinosaurs are on the field and are making their way down the 50-yard line. Nobody has seen something like this before. They must be the secret third team. I thought dinos were extinct. What's the deal for real? Oh my God, the dinosaurs just scored a touchdown. Now they are tackling each other in their own end zone. I don't think they know what they are doing. One of them ate the ball. I am scared. Super Bowl, more like Jurassic Bowl. This is so cray-cray. I hope the halftime show is not affected. The big fish finally heard the chaos and has arrived on scene. He has the ball now. He's making his way towards the end zone. I think he is going to win the game. Go team.
Wow, that's not even spicy for me, and I'm a fire Mario. What else can I do? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the hell? There's no bathroom in here, man. You can't wash them off now. I don't care.
Guys, we finally did it. The American dream. Now that all those files are being released, we can see that things are even worse than we could have ever imagined. Nice. For a long time, people would argue about what conspiracy theories were true about the people in power on either the left or the right. Turns out it's a much more sinister third option, which is that they're kind of all true. Awesome. Nothing screams red, white, and blue like the news and media being owned by the exact people that are either in the files or directly connected to the people in them. If you think this stuff is bad, I wonder what they're not showing us. USA! USA! Come on, USA! Did somebody say masked federal agents infringing upon our sacred constitutional rights while foreign governments blackmail our elected officials? Yeah, sign my red, white, and blue ass up, bitch. I like my government how I like my coffee. Compromised. With 2 creams and 1 sugar. Statue of Liberty, bald eagle, Liberty Bell. All symbols meant to represent pick which team you're on, and then fight the other team until you're in active psychosis. Join an echo chamber, confirm your biases, do whatever you can to make yourself as easy as possible to control. And trust me, I know, all this thinking is so hard. That's why AI is here to think for us. We'll be quietly eradicated soon because our human worth is directly correlated to the profit that we make for the very people that use us. And AI is much more profitable. I can't wait.
Should someone be shot in the face with a gun and killed?
Well, that seems like kind of a trick question.
In what conceivable way?
Well, I need more context.
Did they have it coming? Let's say they didn't. I'm still not sure.
There's gotta be a reason they're getting shot in the face.
In this hypothetical, there's literally none. Come on.
I completely resent my wife and kids. I wish I never settled down. I should have never had kids. I completely regret it. I'm gonna drink copious amounts of alcohol today. I struggle with alcohol and I'm gonna drink a lot of beer today. I love beer. I'm just the pay pig to this family. I pay for everything and they just take and take from me like I'm a human ATM machine.
The only thing that can numb that pain is alcohol.
I completely regret having a family, but maybe I'll ride a roller coaster or 2. Struck up a conversation with the most beautiful young woman I've ever seen in my life outside the bar yesterday. I've never laughed that hard in my life. It felt so good. I really wish I could just go back in time and change everything. You know, you start going down a certain path, you get married and you have kids, and then all of a sudden you're 45 looking in the mirror like, what happened to me? My life is a complete hellscape with no end in sight, but sure, I'll spend $4,000 on the pixie dust package.
Yeah, that might send me over the edge. I might snap today.
I've said this before. I don't mind a guy being short. I'll put him in a cage on my pocket like Mulan with the cricket. I will carry his little ass around. It's not a problem to me.
And he just chirps every now
He
and
can
then.
slither around in my backpack like Mushu. And pop out during times of adversity. No
Give me
worries.
some stage advice. Crack a couple jokes. Go back in.
Yeah, feed me porridge and send me off to war. It's not a problem. But I do have many types. I run the gamut.
Period.
No shape, no size. No, I'm into all kinds of things.
I feel that.
I sometimes femme guys, sometimes mask guys.
Yeah, just depends.
It is what it is.
You're just like, who want me?
I'm a whore. And I want to keep my options open. I want these gay men listening to know, maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe, and in fact, probably.
Throw your hat in the ring. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, someone propose. I am waiting for someone to propose. I am waiting for someone to propose. I'm tired of these gay men. I've had it with these.
Put me out my misery.
I've had it. I've had it.
Either propose to me or shoot me.
Fuck me or kill me. What are we doing?
That's so Brittany.
I want kids, dude. I want kids. I want a little house. I have the little house. I bought us a house already.
That step is done.
Moving. Let's start on kids, dude. I'm trying to create. Oh, okay. So I'm a dumbass because I'm trying to create a happy and beautiful life for myself. Great.
You're so lesbian coded.
I'm big lesbian coded.
Yeah, totally.
I want to move. I want to meet a man and be like, next week, it's like, let's go to the adoption agency. Let's start this life, brother. Did you know I was a security guard once?
No, I didn't, but I believe it.
I was a security guard.
Because you're so tall, too.
For one night, I was a security guard for Aaron Carter.
Are you lying to me?
No, I'm dead ass serious.
You're being serious?
I'm dead ass
you
serious.
lie all the time. I can't tell if you're lying
Baby,
to me.
you know I'm telling the truth. I think I can find, maybe we can put it up on the screen later when we in the episode, but let me try to find the picture. Caleb,
For what?
He came to my college and he didn't have security. And so
Girl, who's the biggest guy we know? Let's call Caleb.
True. They were like, get your fat ass in here immediately. Immediately. I'm trying to find it so bad. I might have to show you afterwards.
Yeah, just show me. You can show me after. I believe you now because
I don't have the good one, but I do have this.
Oh yeah, we bring that over and show Drew. So this is gonna go ahead and be me and my buddy Doyle posted up with Aaron Carter as his security guards.
Caleb.
Yeah.
Caleb, you're so gay.
He also, by the way, and be careful, and he posted a photo. So we bodyguarded for him, and me and my friend were treating it as a bit. So the whole day we're like sweeping campus, being ridiculous. We get walkie-talkies. It was like you gave comedians an opportunity to be bodyguards.
That's on you.
That's on you.
Yeah.
And then at the concert, it actually was scary because there was just like 3 of us, and these girls were rabid for him.
You being scared as the
No,
security
it legit was. So there's me and my friend are just standing in front of. Aaron's behind us performing, standing in front of the stage like this. Because these girls are mauling us.
You're
trying to
trembling.
They want like a kiss. And they want a kiss from Aaron. And so then after the show, he posts a picture that's like, it's him singing right behind me, being like, And then all the women, all the young girls like jumping at him. And then in the picture, it's just me going, so scared. And the caption he posted with was, that security guard in the front though, straight G. And I was like, well, you know you shouldn't be talking like that. And you shouldn't implicate me. Oh, by the way, straight F-A-O-T. It was crazy.
There's 2 buttons before you. One kills a man.
Okay.
And one gives you $1 billion to invest in changing the world.
So far, it seems only really clear cut.
You could save 1 million lives, or you kill this one guy.
I don't think you got the dilemma right, because the question is,
there's a train. The train is going 60 miles an hour.
Right. The moral dilemma you posed was there's 2 buttons. One kills one guy and one saves a bunch of lives.
So what are you going to do?
Save a bunch of lives.
Well, it's money. Okay.
Why
so
would
you
I
would do something evil. You would kill someone for $1 billion.
No, you didn't present the buttons right, is what I'm telling you. You know, you're not presenting the problem you think you're presenting.
Present it.
You said this button kills a man.
Yep.
And this button
gives you $1 billion.
Dude, that's not a moral dilemma.
I was trying to make you take the money.
Right.
And I knew I needed to say something good to get you to take the money.
Yeah. But taking the money is not anywhere equivalent to killing a man. That's not the evils.
So what are you
going to
do?
What
do you kill the man?
Wait, I feel crazy. What are you talking about? Are you doing a bit right now?
Oh, no.
Do you know? There was a gay guy who got fucked in the ass.
Right.
Up
I'm
the butt,
glad you
gay
clarified.
style.
I wasn't sure.
Well, he got fucked up the butt gay style in like a Senate chamber, like in one of the rooms where they do like, you know, where you'll see like, usually you see videos of a senator grilling like a credit card executive for show or whatever.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, they got donations from, you know what I mean?
Right.
They're like, do you think it's appropriate? Like that room,
Right.
Gay guy fucked in the butt gay style.
With just a random person, or was it someone in Congress?
It was not a Congress member. I believe it was just a different gay guy.
How'd they get in there?
Well, okay, so the gay guy who was getting fucked in the butt gay style, he was a staffer for somebody.
Okay.
And so he had access to the chambers. And he posted a video, I don't know where, maybe it was OnlyFans or maybe it was like his close friends and it got leaked. I don't know. Posted a video of him just literally getting railed in the Senate chambers. This is like a year or two ago.
Filibuster for real.
Truly.
Filibusted.
Hey, emphasis on Phil.
Filibust a nut.
Philly bust a nut. Philly cup of Phil bust a nut. E Spanish and E cup of feel E bust a nut. Emas. Bust a nut Emas gay style. Bust a nut Emas gay style in the Senate chambers.
Right.
And there was an article yesterday in like the New Yorker or something, and they posted like a quote from it. That was the guy that was like, "I only hurt me when I did that, and I bear the consequences, but I do not regret fucking in the Senate." And I was like, "Dog, I love gay people."
And part of you has to respect that.
I fucking love gay
You have
people.
to. At some point, you're like,
I just love gay
That's
people
funny.
so much.
that's so funny.
Yeah.
They're so unserious about so many things.
Yeah,
That's why I love
it.
y'all.
I just love gay people. That's so funny. I don't to have like a year to reflect on it and to know that the only way out is to like be remorseful and do like a media campaign where you try and like salvage the thing. Just
Right.
go, I don't regret fucking in the Senate.
Oh no, that I don't regret at all.
Iconic.
It's posting about it for like, you know, my friends that I
Yeah.
kind of maybe I should have thought a little bit more on.
It's funny, like the internet has created, or like this moment that we've been in for a while has created this image of queer people as like these like puritanical, like mean, like language policing, like woke scolds.
Right.
I'm like, queer people I know are the meanest. You should hear what the trans women I hang out with say about gay people.
That's what I'm saying. I say that.
They would
all-
fit in at the body shop. You know what I mean? Like it is some nasty, hateful shit, and it's fun, and I love it. It's
and
so
that's
funny.
like the culture. That's why it's fun.
Yeah, reading is fundamental. Like it's like
Yeah,
what we,
it's
that's what
part
we
of it.
actually do.
That's why I told Trixie that. I was like, everybody who says they want to be friends with you and Caleb, I'm like, good luck. My feelings are vibranium, and sometimes my hand's shaking a little bit.
Well, it's part of the problem is that so much of the culture and narrative now is at least partially enforced by like 17-year-olds who are like queer,
right?
And they don't know themselves yet, and
Mhm.
for some reason we're having to interact with them and listen to them, and so you know they have all these ideas. Like,
Right.
God help me if I was a voice of the culture at 17.
Right, same.
Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
God
yeah.
help us all.
When you say abolish the stormtroopers, we hear that. And that's why we're advocating for body cameras on every single stormtrooper. Every single Chancellor Palpatine, now's the time for leadership. Now's the time for leadership. Obviously, the death of younglings is always tragic. But we have to remember when this started. This started when the Jedi betrayed the Republic. We're extremely sad that stormtroopers are in our communities, killing people. That's why they need better training. We need to train them a little bit better. Our recent talks with Lord Darth Vader have been really productive, and we think that we're in a good direction. We talked to them, and they said, we'll think about not killing people, and that's good. That's a step. Yeah, let's see how Palpatine feels after the midterms. Assuming we have them, I think. Do we have any sort of deal at all? No. Palpatine claims to be tough on crime, but he's not. If elected, we would have the deadliest Republic military, and we have a history of going after trans-system gangs and deporting illegal migrants to the Outer Rim.
Mom's better have my money! Swaggy Lee is in the house! I'm here. Don't slam my door! I guess your mom's happy with mediocre too. Yawning, sloppy, lazy, someone's sitting on the ground like a dog. Don't blame me and pass don't even know how to say that. Listen, you screwed up. Save your tears for the pillow. See what it looks like when you cry like a baby? Get a padded bra. Don't wear dresses. What else do you want me to tell you? Huh? Should I say roadkill? Around it, tell me where you want your gift. Girl, you know girl, you.
Матрица — это система. Система и есть наш враг. Но когда ты в ней, оглянись, кого ты видишь: бизнесменов, учителей, адвокатов, работяг, обычных людей, чей разум мы и спасаем. Однако до тех пор, пока эти люди часть системы, они все наши враги. Ты должен помнить, что большинство не готово принять реальность. А многие настолько отравлены и так безнадежно зависимы от системы, что будут драться за нее.
Hello, my little angel boy. Hello, my little boy. Hello, my little boy. How are you playing your games today? You are very good at Fortnite, very good at Fortnite. You are very good at playing that Fortnite. You are very good and very, very good. How is your foot? How is your Fortnite? 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 How is your foot?
So go! Get out of here.
So we got your results, and you're looking pretty okay. No diabetes, or blood clots, but there's deficiency. Seems like iron, and maybe just be able
That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.
Like, what's up, danger?
You can't look me in the eyes and say that.
I'm ticklish, by the way.
What is it that you need? No, you cannot get up here. That is so dramatic. Really.
Everyone is hurt.
Yeah, me too. I mean, not your mom. My mom.
My mom's dead. No.
This could be the
Vanilla. Vanilla ice cream. There's 31 flavors, and you're giving me vanilla. I don't want vanilla.
In your eyes, I feel in my heart. Together, come on, let's do this. Everyone happy now?
Behold, lunkhead basketball man.
Talk to the hand, because I don't care.
There are a lot of supporting roles in the show. I'm sure we can find something for you.
Turn your swag on. Queer. Use your turn signal. Queer. You are extremely loved. Queer. Turn your wrongs into rights. Queer.
You're being lazy. Just look up what it means, all right?
Oh my god, fine. It means you're a bitch.
Something tells me you didn't actually look it up.
Jesus Christ.
And then I think we need 2 chips and cheese.
2 chips and cheese, okay.
Yeah. And I think that'll be all that we want for today.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Do you think I should get something else?
Oh, churros. Get the churros. They're pretty good.
Oh, okay. I'll get the churros.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all for you today?
Yeah.
Your total was $30.17. Would you like to round up 83 cents tonight for local students?
I don't like kids.
Me neither. Go ahead and pull forward.
All right. Love you.
You mind if I test the speakers?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's time for the percolator. You mind if I turn it up?
Absolutely.
It's time for the percolator.
Oh, this looks good. I don't know what movie this could be for, but like Gangnam Style? Like really getting creative here. I don't even know what genre this could be. Is that Creed? Is it a Creed biopic? I'm really clueless. That's the trailer. The trailer is the iPhone. What the fuck movie is this?
Do you know what a queef is?
No, I don't know what a queef is.
Okay, ask Siri what is queef.
Oye Siri, what's that mean in English? Squeefes. Let me search in Google.
Honey. No, it's queef, not squeefy. I don't even know what you're
Squeef.
No. Queef.
Queef.
Yeah.
What that mean? Queef. Okay, the significance for queef is expulsion of air through the vagina.
Do you know what that means? Es un pedo por frente. Yeah.
Oh, it's the fart vagina?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Did you know that was a thing?
Do you have a fart vagina?
in. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
Patricio, no! Patricio, no! Patrick, no! Patrick, no! I think I'm gonna die in this house. I think I'm gonna die in this house.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism. 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 Singing anti-disestablishmentarianism. 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 Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Hey there. Are you for real? I'm for real. I'm still alive and kicking. Reverse curse technique. Exactly.
Some hot girls, some of that pop y'all shit. Hey, work out, yeah. Show 'em your mama to pull like dick. Big booty bitch, like big booty bitch, some hot girls, some of that pop.
You take the man out of the chilies, not the chilies out the man. You take the man out of the chilies, not the chilies out the man. You take the man out of the... Stick together like bees and honey.
When everyone got really into posting about manifesting and speaking things into existence, it was really hard for me. Not because I'm a hater, but because I have OCD, and every fucking thing I saw was, stop! Whatever you've been thinking about is coming true. Next post. It's here. There's no running from it. Your thoughts are happening. Next scroll. Goodbye.
I'm bringing you the patty. Slowly. Almost there.